Hey guys, welcome to my channel. So today I'm going to be showing you a super easy tutorial using my Cricut Explore Air 2. We're going to be doing a very simple flower cutout on cardstock, so let's go ahead and get to it. Now that we've just jumped into Cricut Design Space, let's go ahead and start designing. So now what you're going to do when you're at the home space is you're going to go to the top right corner and select New Project. So now we're in the Cricut Design Space here where we're going to actually be designing our image. So we're going to go over to the left sidebar over here and select images. Now this is super easy. I love being able to just select images here and place them into Cricut Design Space. So all I'm going to do is go ahead and search up flower. It's as easy as that. Now I'm going to go through and select which one I like. I really like this one right here. So I'm going to go ahead and select that one. And then I'm going to go down to the bottom right corner and select Insert Images. One important thing to note as well in Cricut Design Space is that you can actually go ahead and select multiple images. So if you wanted more than one flower, you can go ahead and select multiple images at this point, and all of them would be inserted once you hit Insert Images. So we'll just go ahead. We're just doing that one single flower. Now we're going to keep it at the same measurements that it's currently at. So that's 7.916 centimeters by 7.62 centimeters. So now what we're going to do is we're going to go ahead and select Make It in the top right corner here. So here you're able to see where your flower will be placed onto your mat, and this works really great for making sure that you're not overusing your vinyl products. So now we're going to go ahead and press continue. That's in the bottom right corner. My Cricut Design Space recognizes that my base material is going to be set to Vinyl Plus. It's exactly what I want. I'm using the fine point blade. It's already loaded. Okay, so now I'm going to go ahead and place my vinyl onto my cutting mat. I'm just making sure it's square and smoothing it out just to make sure there's no bubbles. That way the design cuts straight. So here you can see that I've gone ahead and straightened it out again, and I'm feeding the mat into the machine. Now I'm going to go ahead and press the Cricut button, which will allow our machine to start cutting out our desired design. So that's going ahead and cutting right now. Oh my gosh, look at that vinyl. Isn't it so pretty? Now I'm unfeeding the cutting mat from the Cricut and closing up my Cricut so I have a bit more working space. I'm going ahead and removing my vinyl from my cutting mat so I have a lot of space and ability to work with that vinyl. I'm going ahead and weeding that flower now, just making sure that I take all the pieces out. And I actually realized that it would be easier to remove the whole entire flower versus picking out the pieces. Look how good it looks. Wow, so pretty. If you enjoyed this video, click on the screen right now for some more awesome projects. See you soon, bye!